Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
The latest rustic home exterior trends for 2025 are explored, showcasing a blend of timeless charm and modern sensibilities. The video highlights key design elements, such as natural materials, sustainable practices, and inviting outdoor spaces. A timeless appeal that transcends trends, blending natural textures with contemporary accents, elevating curb appeal with rustic charm. Embracing sustainable and eco-friendly materials, reclaimed wood, stone, and exposed beams, creating a connection to nature with earth-toned palettes. Geometric accents and clean lines, incorporating large windows for natural light, modernizing the exterior with metal accents. Creating a seamless flow between indoors and out, fire pits, patios, and outdoor kitchens, adding greenery and landscaping for a touch of nature. Consider the overall style and context, prioritize functionality and comfort, embrace imperfections for a genuine rustic feel. A cozy, autumnal cabin nestled in a forest. Wooden siding, dark metal roof, with multiple skylights. A spacious wooden deck extends outdoors, offering a place to relax and enjoy the fall foliage. The scene is softly lit, with warm, golden-orange autumn colors surrounding the cabin. The trees are a mix of vibrant oranges, yellows, and reds, creating a rich and warm atmosphere. The cabin features a modern interior design with large sliding glass doors that open to the deck. A seating area with a couch and chairs is visible on the deck. Plants, stones, and a small pond add to the calm, serene atmosphere. A modern, luxurious house nestled within a lush, dark green forest at twilight. The house features multiple levels, large expanses of glass windows, and a dark gray/charcoal exterior. Warm, amber-orange lighting spills out from the interior, illuminating the living areas and patios with a soft, inviting glow. The windows showcase cozy interiors filled with furniture and warm-tone decor. There is a green roof garden on one portion of the house. The image is photorealistic, capturing the mood of a tranquil evening. A spacious, light-filled dining area and kitchen in a rustic, modern farmhouse. Large windows with black frames offer sweeping views of a mountain landscape. The interior walls feature reclaimed wood paneling in warm, muted tones of brown, gray, and beige, interspersed with stone accents. A long, rustic wooden dining table with gray upholstered chairs and a leather chair with nailhead trim anchors the dining area. A large concrete island countertop dominates the kitchen space, accompanied by industrial-style bar stools. The kitchen cabinets are dark gray/charcoal with glass inserts. The color palette is a muted mix of grays, browns, and beiges, with pops of warmer tones from the wood and leather. A modern, luxurious, minimalist home nestled within a lush, green forest. The home features dark stained wood beams and framing, juxtaposed with stone cladding in a varied, gray-brown palette. Large windows offer expansive views of the surrounding trees and greenery. The interior is visible through the large windows, showcasing warm, ambient lighting illuminating a spacious interior design. A covered outdoor deck and patio area with a wooden floor extend from the home, framed by a meticulously landscaped garden of various plants and small trees. A contemporary pool with dark gray stone paving is in front of the deck. A dark, cozy A-frame cabin nestled in a misty forest. The cabin's exterior is painted a deep charcoal gray, contrasting beautifully with the warm golden light filtering through the large, triangular windows, highlighting the wooden beams within. The muted autumnal colors of the surrounding trees, browns, oranges, and yellows, are hazy and slightly desaturated, creating an impressionistic atmosphere. The natural stone of the chimney stands out with its lighter, muted off-white. A paved wooden deck extends around the cabin's base, with potted plants and a chaise lounge adding a cozy touch to the outdoor living space. Visible through the windows are hints of a kitchen and living room's interior, with natural wood elements and warm lighting. A modern, contemporary home nestled in a lush forest. The house features large expanses of dark-framed glass windows, showcasing a warm interior lit by incandescent light. The exterior walls are a mix of dark gray stone and black metal framing. A prominent stone chimney is incorporated into the design. The home sits on a landscaped deck and steps, leading to a garden of various green foliage. The overall style is minimalist and sleek. Hyperrealistic rendering. Focus on the interplay of light and shadow, showcasing the deep greens of the forest, the rich browns and grays of the stone and house, and the warm glow of the interior lighting. A modern, luxury stone home nestled in a mountain setting, evening light. The home features a mix of natural stone and dark wood accents, with large windows offering views of the surrounding forest. A stunning infinity-edge pool and hot tub are integrated into the outdoor living space. The design blends seamlessly with the landscape. The colors are muted, with warm earthy tones and cool gray stone. The ambience is tranquil and serene, showcasing a cohesive design from the interior to the exterior. Impressionistic, but with hyper-realistic detail, focus on the architectural lines, texture, and light. The lighting highlights the stonework, plants, and water features. A modern, two-story house nestled within a lush forest. The house features a dark gray metal framework with large expanses of light brown wooden cladding. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow abundant natural light to flood the interior, creating a warm, inviting ambience. The interior is visible through the windows, showcasing a modern, minimalist design. Luminous lighting highlights the living spaces and stairways. A rooftop garden of various greenery is visible on top of the house sections, blending seamlessly with the forested surroundings. The overall aesthetic is impressionistic, with depth of field subtly blurring the background, emphasizing the architectural elements and the building's connection to nature.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.